4 класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание, урок 32, часть 2, страница 79, 80, 81. English Starlight for homework, lesson number 32, part number 2, page number 79, 80, 81. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look marvelous. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. You look marvelous. So do you. You look wonderful. So do you. You look terrific. So do you. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 79. Troll Tales. Exercise number 1. Listen and read the story. Сказка троллей. Послушай и прочитай историю. Popsy, did you take my glasses? No, I didn't. Popsy, did you take my shoes? No, I didn't. Well, if it wasn't Popsy, who was it then? It was me. I cleaned your glasses, I washed your shoes, and I made popcorn for everyone. Ha! 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 That's funny. We don't believe in ghosts, Popsy. Ah, help! Now take rolls and read. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 80. 80. The Fairy Garden. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Волшебный сад. Послушай, покажи и повтори. Repeat after me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And now do exercise number 2. Talk with your friend. Поговори со своим другом. My birthday is in July. When's your birthday? In March. My birthday is in May. When is your birthday? In September. My birthday is in December. When is your birthday? In August. My birthday is in March. When is your birthday? In November. My dear friends, do exercise number 3. Match, then listen, point and repeat. Соедини, затем послушай, покажи и повтори. 12th, first, 100th, second, third, 9th, 21st, 5th, 4th. 1, the answer. First. 2, the answer. Second. 3, the answer. Third. 4, the answer. fourth. 5, fifth. 9, ninth. 12, twelfth. 21. The answer, 21st. 50, 50th. 100, 100th. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Read and complete. Прочитай и закончи предложение. Number 1. C is the third letter of the alphabet. The answer number 1. C – третья буква алфавита. Number 2. April is the fourth month of the year. Number 2. The answer. Апрель – четвертый месяц года. Number 3. May Day is on the 1st of May. Number 3. The answer. Майский день отмечают 1 мая. Number 4. L is the 12th letter of the alphabet. Number 4. The answer. L – 12-я буква в алфавите. Number 5. Tuesday is the second day of the week. Number 5. The answer. Вторник – второй день недели. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 81. 81. Exercise number 5. Listen, point and repeat. Послушай, покажи и повтори. Repeat the new words. Well – колодец. Blanket – одеяло. CD player. CD player – проигрыватель. Bead – борода. Mustache – усы. Boys and girls, do exercise number 6. Look at the picture and read the sentences. Write yes or no. Посмотри на картинку и прочитай предложение. Напиши да или нет. Number 1. The girl is listening to music. The answer, yes. Her CD player is pink. No. Number 3. She has got short curly hair. У нее короткие кудрявые волосы. The answer, no. Number 4. The boy is sitting on a blanket. Number 4. Мальчик сидит на покрывале. The answer, yes. Number 5. He is holding a ball. Number 5. The answer. Он держит мяч. No. Number 6. The man in the picture has got a mustache. Number 6. У мужчины на картине усы. The answer, yes. Number 7. He has got a beard too. Number 7. Также у него есть борода. The answer, no. Number 8. He is sitting next to a well. Number 6. Он сидит рядом с колодцем. The answer, no. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.